Welcome to Teacher Black Adam. So first term is 7 and common difference there is 5, and then there's 20 terms in the series. So n is 20 and common difference is d. And now we have to find the sum of the terms. So the sum of n being the number of terms. Get a calculator ready. And then we have n divided by 2, open bracket, that is 2a plus n minus 1 and d. And let's find out our n there is 20, and our a we're told is 7, and then our d, our common difference is 5. And then from there, sum of 20 is going to be 20 divided by 2, bracket, that's 2. Our a is 7, 2 times 7 plus bracket 20 minus 1, and then common difference 5. So that will give us 10. 2 times 7 is 14, and then 20 minus 1 is 19, and multiply by 5. So let's use a calculator. We have 14 actually, plus 19 multiplied by 5, close bracket. So our answer is 109. So we're going to multiply that 109 by 10, so it's 10 bracket 109 to give us 1090. That's the sum of 20 terms for question 2.1.1. So the sum of 20 is going to be 1090. And the next question, that's 2.1.2. we have original arithmetic sequence above, extending to 77 terms, adding to 14,400 using sigma notation, equation for the sum of the terms added to the original. So we need to write that down. Okay, so original series, our original series is our original equation. So we need our equation there. So to find our equation, we need Tn is equals to a plus bracket n minus 1 d. That's equals to a, remember our a is 7, our d is 5. Okay, so that's 7 plus bracket n minus 1 bracket multiplied by 5. That will give us 7 plus 5n minus 5. So Tn is going to be 5n minus, or 5 plus 7, that's going to be 2. So that's our equation. So now we need to find, we know that sum of 75 is going to be 14,400, and sum of 20 is going to be 1090. So the difference will be from sum of 21 and so forth. So sum of 21 from sum of 21 to 75 is going to be the difference, 14,400 minus 1090. So 14400 minus 1090. 090 gives us an answer of 13310. That's gonna be 13310. And that's the sequence notation, starting from 21 ending in 75. So we have the equation there, the 5n plus 2. The sum gives us 1. That's our 13310. That's our answer. And then 2.2. 2.2, we're given the sequence, quadratic pattern. That's the first difference. We have first difference there, which is 1, 3, and 5. That's arithmetic sequence. Okay, so the first difference gives us arithmetic sequence. The second difference gives us a constant number. So formula, that would be Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket d. So what we do, we're going to find that that's a is 1 and d is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So we have Tn is equals to 1 plus bracket n minus 1, common difference is 2. And that will be 1 plus 2n. Okay, that's 2n, and then negative 2, because negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And then from there we have 2n, 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. So that's our formula. You can check the second term. You put 2 there, and that's going to be 3, which is correct. So quadratic. In quadratic we have T90, term 99, term 98, and term 99. So the common difference there, the common difference is 1d88. So when we add that, or when we differentiate that, we find the terms above. So that means we have T 99 minus d 1d98 is equals to T98. Actually it's yes, T99 minus first difference 98 is equals to T98. Now let us find term for 1d98. So we're going to punch in there 98 and from that equation. So it's 2 bracket 98 minus 1. So I'm going to use a calculator. Okay, use a calculator. There's 2 bracket 98 is equals to minus 1, actually will give us 195. So 195, that's our answer. And then we have that is T99 has a value, and then the first difference is 98 also has a value. So that is going to be 9632 minus the first difference 98, so that's going to be 195. That's the answer that we found above, and then that is going to be T98. And that means T term 98 is going to be, use a calculator, that's 9632 minus 195. Our answer there is 9437. 9437. That's our answer. Then from there, 2.2.2 is further given that the third term of the quadratic is 32. Determine general term of the quadratic pattern. 5 marks for that. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to know that Tn is an squared plus bn plus c. And from this information we know that T3 is going to be a bracket 3 squared plus b bracket 3 plus c. So that will give us 9a plus 3b plus c. Then from there we have first difference is 1, 3 and 5 and so forth. So what we have here, we now know that okay, 3a plus b, that's the equation for the first term, right? It's 1, and the second term is 5a plus b, that will give us 3, and the third term is 7a plus b. So that's how it works. You just keep adding 2 on the next terms, so that equals to 5. So we need to just the two of them because we have 2 unknowns. So it's 5a plus b is equals to 3, and then we have 3a plus b, which is equals to 1. And from there we equate the first equation. Let's make it equation 1, second equation 2. Okay, so that's 1 there and that's 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Alright, so now let's say equation 1 minus equation 2. So 5 minus 3a is 2a, that's 0, so we don't add 0, so it's gonna be equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we have 2a is equals to 2. Okay, just separate this. Okay, then now we have 2a is equals to 2, divide both sides by 2, so a is 2 over 2 is 1. So we have there a is equals to 1. And then from there we know that 3a plus b is equals to 1. So we're going to substitute a value which is 1 and the equation plus b is equals to 1. So solving for b is going to be 1 minus 3, so b is going to be negative 2. That's our answer. And then from there we know our equation, so we need to find c. So c, we're told that is 32, that's term 3 from that equation. So 9a plus 3b plus c is equals to 32, and we know that our values of there, we know that a is 1 and then b is negative 2, so plus 3 is equals to 32. And then we need to solve, so we know that 9 minus 6 plus c is equals to 32, and then we have c, which is going to be 32. 9 plus negative 3 is negative 6 is 3, so 32 minus 3 is 29. So that's our answer for the c value. So knowing that our c, coming back to our equation, that's Tn is equals to an, okay, it's going to be an squared plus, okay, yeah, it's going to be an squared plus bn plus c. So that will give us our a is 1, our n squared plus negative 2 for b, and plus our c is 29. So that will give us n squared minus 2n plus 29. So that's a final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow, subscribe, and this is your tutor Black Adam. Leave any comments or any question. Thank you.